Hello everyone, welcome back to Career 360. So, the break is over. JEE Main January 28 Shift 1, the morning shift, has officially concluded. This is a crucial shift because historically, whenever there is a gap of 2 to 3 days in the schedule, NTE often resets or tweaks the paper pattern. So the big question is, did the difficulty level spike today or did it stay consistent with the last week? Let's look at the perspective from the prior shifts. From January 21 to 24, mathematics had a single consistent label, lengthy. Whether it was moderate or hard, it always ate up time. Physics, on the other hand, was a roller coaster. It started easy, spiked to tough on January 23rd evening, and then dipped back to formula-based. Did January 28 follow this roller coaster, or was it a stable, moderate paper? The biggest curiosity is about chemistry. We saw a clear trend last week. The paper started tough and statement-based on day 1, gradually became easy and scoring by day 4. The paper today, January 28th, morning shift, it was overall a moderate paper basically. It was a bit difficult with respect to last year's of the JEE Mains 2025. The paper was at the same level as compared to January 2025 shifts. अगर मैं ट्रेंड बताऊं आज की मॉर्निंग शिफ्ट 28 जनवरी का, इट वाज फिजिक्स which was on the upper side, followed by maths and then chemistry. So the now talking section wise, फिजिक्स का एनालिसिस करते हैं. ओवरऑल डिफिकल्टी लेवल ऑफ द फिजिक्स पेपर वाज मॉडरेट बेसिकली. The physics paper was hard with respect to the mathematics and chemistry paper. Now, the JEE Main 28 January morning shift physics paper was time taking due to its toughness. Talking about the maths analysis, the overall difficulty level of the mathematics section in this shift 28 January, it was moderate. This shift's math section had lengthy questions. Several questions needed careful calculations that required the proper time management. Talking about the chemistry analysis, overall difficulty level of chemistry paper was moderate. So the overall difficulty level of chemistry section JEE Mains 28 January morning shift, it was tough with respect to 21 to 24 January. The chemistry paper in today's shift, it was easy with respect to physics and mathematics section. It was doable for those who went through the proper revision, and the organic portion had more named reaction questions. So overall, it is a moderate to tough paper. Well, dear ones, we'll be doing the complete overall analysis sharply at 12:30 p.m. today. So please join at our live session at BTech 360 channel. We'll be waiting for you people so that we can have a deep analysis of the questions that are coming our way. Till then, good luck.